going on YouTube? We're back at it. Got another shoe review today. You can see the smile on my face. I'm pretty excited about these pair. These are the Dr. Martens SS21s. They came in the mail like roughly about like 2 hours ago. I still haven't opened the box yet. These are some exclusives. Sold out everywhere, like everywhere sold out. I'm gonna definitely resell these shoes, but I don't even want to jump into all of that right now, cause like my energy's up there. I had to pull out the OVO shirt just for the video. I had to, like, you know, flex up. Yeah, like, let's do a little quick background like I always do. I don't know what to say. I just really want to dive into it, you know. So Dogecoin to the moon, invest in that. Shiba, hopefully that goes somewhere. I put a little money into the side on that. What else? Please like, share, and subscribe. I put in a lot of money, time, effort into these videos, so if I keep my energy up, I expect my views to keep on going up. So let's go ahead and dive right in it. We got a box right here. Try to be quick. I don't want anyone to have my address. Let's just go and open up this box. Yeah. I haven't been uploading that much, you know, been working like I always say in my other videos, blase. But yeah, I need some people to be on Coldwar with me. I be playing with my little brother and my older brother and some other people and stuff. Yeah, we be getting lit, we be getting active now. Y'all really want to smoke, you can pull up with your group and you gonna see what time it is. You know what I'm saying? You got DonDottaChase right here. But like, yeah, hop on that Coldwar with us. You know, my PSN is, well, my Coldwar Activision name is DonDottaChase. DonDottaChase. I always put the link in the description. Instagram, TikTok, follow me, Roy Rich Chase. Like, share, subscribe. Yeah, you know, like, I'm just trying to, today is Friday. I'm feeling good so far. Yes, sir, we got this box open. Ooh, these are pretty heavy. I'm not gonna lie. This box is heavy as hell. Like, this got some weight to it. Like, so this is what the box looks like. Ooh, look at that exclusive. Those Rick Owens, Dr. Martens, Rick Owens. Sheesh. Hey. Yeah, so these range me, these cost me $330. Plus taxes to add on the extra $30 or so. Yeah, so you're gonna be coming out almost just under $400. So this is what the box looks like. You know, it's all black. It says Rick Owens right under the Dr. Marten name. Yeah, it's pretty clean. I got these in a US 7, I believe. Hopefully, no, US 7 female. It's like a 7, I think. I don't know. When I bought these, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, this is the background part right here. When I bought these, when I first tried to get them, they said, okay, men size 8. Yeah. So knowing me, I'm trying to be cheap and use the discount code, like trying to save 10%. Once I finally get the discount code, try to apply it, shoes are ran out, sold out. So I'm like, whoa, what the hell? So what I had to do, I had to go to the females portion, you know, because it's basically the same thing to me. It's like, these are a unisex shoe. And I'm looking like, okay, if I could just get the females, you know, just gotta do the size difference, doesn't matter. So actually, to be honest, because I'm looking at the box and I'm trying to be oblivious to what it says. I don't even want to say it. Hopefully I can fit these. But if I can't, I'm going to resell them. 100%. 100%. So let's go ahead and dive right in. So you got a box right here. So first we're gonna open that up. I'm really liking it all black. I feel like I got a new pair of J's. The wrapping paper, you know, the solid Dr. Martens logo, stuff like that. Guess we got some extra stuff in here to keep the shoes protected. So yeah, this is what we all been waiting for. Yeah, let's just go in. Ooh, you know these are exclusive, because like when I get shoes, they don't wrap them around like that. Like, these are like specially wrapped, low key. Not really, but you can tell they did an extra little work in there. Throw that to the side. Oh yeah, you guys already see them. Ooh, these are dope. These are dope. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, that might be oh no, that's bad. Hold on, my phone is actually dying. It's at 20%, so I had to fix that for a sec. Yeah, these are pretty dope. Let me just place the box to the side for a second. Yeah, so these might be a size like 8. Yeah, probably like a size 8, I believe. Yeah, but just look at that first look at those. I'm in loving the design of the shoe screens being all over the place. I wonder how tight these be. These are Doc Martens, so you already know they're gonna be pretty comfortable. Look how thick that heel is. These are definitely like that. That's like a good 2 or 3 inches back there, like just right there. That's like a good 2-3 inches solid. It's not the same level all over, but you know, still you're still gonna be sitting up a good like inch and like a half or so, you know, just off your initial height. Like, oh my god, just look at that design. These are pretty dope. I feel like I'm gonna be future wearing these type of shoes, like a different like swag. You know, I don't even need a stylist. Like, that's pretty dope. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with all this extra shoe strands. Yeah, I have no idea what that's all about. Maybe just extra pair of shoe strings for one shoe. I haven't looked at the other pair of shoes yet. The other shoe. But yeah, just get a little zipper on the side. The shoe strings wrapped all the way around. That's what really caught my attention. The shoe string being wrapped all the way around. And then it's like right here, like how do you tie these up? Like honestly, how would I tie these up without messing up the initial design? I'm the type of person, I don't even like to mess with my shoelaces when I get a fresh pair of shoes, just to make them look brand new all the time. Just it's not like, it's something about that stock shoe, like that shoelace tie. I don't know what to call it. It's just when it comes in that box fresh and it's already tied. It's just like that. I like to keep like that as long as I can until it unravels all on its own. So here's the bottom. These are pretty dope. Pretty old. I just looked at the little stamps right there. It had me thinking about Louis for a second, but maybe that's just a Doc Marten logo. Yeah, those are pretty cool. I'm loving like the effect how you can see through the shoe almost, see through the gel. Those are pretty dope, pretty dope, pretty dope. You guys see that? Let's get a close up. Look at those ridges. Look at that design. A lot of track. Oh man, these are clean. Clean by far. Just off my initial look at them, because I really don't wear boots a lot. These are my favorite boots. Like, these are like the best looking boots I have ever seen. Like, honestly, it's just all about this, the shoelace design on the front. I hope I'm not moving around too much, but you know, they have the, let's see, right here it says it just says Doc Martens name, you know, stuff like that. Get you guys a closer look. I want to see it personally myself. Yeah, it says with bouncing soles. Basically like on a lot of Doc Martens shoes, you know, bouncing soles, airwear. I don't even know how to say his name. But okay, so let's jump right into this. We got a little tag. Got your little taggy tag, you know it's official, I guess. Whatever. Honestly, I'm being so serious. I don't even want to take these shoes out. I don't even want to wear them. I don't even like want to do an on-foot review. That's how like prestige I'm looking at these shoes at this point. Like, 'cause right now it took me a lot of like it took a lot out of me just to do that part right there. Honestly, let's try to get a good recent decent look on the inside. If you can see it a little bit, it just says Doc Martens, and it's all black insoles. I can't. These shoes are so dark. I can barely see them myself. It says yeah, Doc Martens, OWENS, stitched inside. It's not really stitched, but it has like that printed. Wait, is that stitched? Oh wait, hold on. If it's not stitched, it has that stitch design inside. If you guys can, hopefully you guys can see that. You see it right there? It has like a stitch design right there, right under the Doc Marten name. Yeah, they have like a leather inside. Like the inside is like leather, low key. Yeah, you guys see that? It's like it's leather inside. Yeah, I really like that though. So it's like it's so many different materials going on with this shoe, and I'm just now looking around the shoe. That nice little stitch going all the way around. It just so compliments it. Like honestly, bro, these are dope as hell. Dope as hell. And for these to be unisex shoes, guys can wear these, females can wear these. Like, no matter where you go, you're gonna be like, you're show stopping, bro. You might look like you just came out of like a fashion week. I feel like Future, Michael Jackson wearing these shoes, moonwalking, Calabasas type vibe. Like, oh my gosh, I'm trying to give you guys a good look. Like, oh my gosh, yeah. I'm trying to see. I hope I don't miss anything. So at this point, I am gonna do the on foot review. Hopefully, I can fit these shoes. Hopefully, I did buy the right size because when I bought them, they weren't like they wasn't in like US shoe size. They were in like UK. So you know, I'm not really really familiar with UK, but it's not too far off. But I did buy these in a rush because I know like the limited number. But yeah, so right now we're just gonna jump right into the on foot review. Sheesh. Let me stop. So we have the shoes on right now, and I am in love. No cap. Like, no cap. I know in my original videos I'll be like, oh, I'm not a shoe person, blase, blase. But these right here, oh my gosh. These are perfect. Perfect boot. Perfect boot, bro. I swear to God. Like, just look at these beauties. Low key, I messed up how I was just saying in the last clip how I don't like to mess with like the shoestrings and stuff like that. So as you can tell, I only have one shoe on because I low key didn't know how to put these on because they're like wrapped around up here, you know. And so I had to untangle them and just wrapped it myself personally right after that. So I just decided to do one because I do like to keep it as original and as unique as possible. Not really unique, but as original as possible. So I'm just gonna do the 1 foot, but yeah, just look how they look though. Like, you know, some extra height. They feel amazing. I'm not gonna look cap. These are not my size. They're like a half size too small, but I don't care. Honestly, I don't care. I will wear these shoes till my feet turn purple, like my t-shirt. OVO status. What? These are too clean. I don't care. Hopefully, I got these for like $360 or so, something like that. If I can resell these for like $700-800, sold. They're gone. But you know, like in the meantime, I'm in no rush to sell these shoes. Like a lot of shoes, you know, I sell or whatever because you know I'm just not like a big shoe person. But these, oh my gosh, I am in no rush, no rush, no rush. Yeah, but please like, share, and subscribe this video. I'm glad you guys stopped by and had a chance to look at the shoes. Personally, for yourself, if you're in the market to buy these, you can hit me on my DMs, DrChase. We can play some Coldwar together, DonDottaChase. Please like, share, and subscribe once again. If you guys have any recommendations of other shoes would you like me to get, because the only reason why I know about these is because one of my subscribers hit me up. So if one of you guys hit me up about any type of pair, Pumas, Nikes, Jordans, doesn't matter what they are, Skechers, if you feel like, oh, it'd be some nice content you'll like to see, I'm here. Yeah, I try to drop a link in the bio to where you can possibly get these shoes, but as to where I got these from, the actual Dr. Martens website on the release date early in the morning, yeah, we can try. I'll try my best to help you guys out, but if not, you see this pair right here, I'm legit with it. I do shoe reviews all the time. If you would like to buy these pairs, just DM me asking the size. I'll actually give you a legit size, and try to, you know, work with a reasonable price. I'm just let you know right now, I'm gonna flip my money regardless. So yeah, if you're interested, yeah, there you go. But we're just gonna cap the video off right there. I really want to wear them tonight, but then I don't want to fuck them up. But yeah, let me just end the video off right there. I thank you guys for watching this though, and you guys take care.